In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can access your favorites on TikTok. So if you don't know how to favorite a video and how to access that, if for example you're watching a TikTok and you tap the little share button, which is now turned into a Snapchat button, but that's the share button, tap on that. And then if you scroll to the right on those options at the bottom, it says add to favorites now in the middle of my screen. So if I tap on that, it says at the top added to favorites. But now where do we actually access these favorites? Well, it's very straightforward and simple. If you just tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right hand corner, that will take you to your profile. And then next to where it says edit profile is a little bookmark button ribbon that looks like that. If you tap on that, that will take you to your favorites. It will show you your favorite videos, your favorite hashtags, your favorite sounds. So you can pretty much favorite anything on TikTok. You can even favorite comments. But you most likely came to this video to find your favorited videos, which are located on the first tab. From here, you can go and watch your favorites if you want, and like them and comment on them and things like that. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.